Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 proven ways to make money on TikTok. TikTok has quickly become one of the most popular social media platforms, and many people are using it to make money. So if you're interested in making money on TikTok, keep watching. Method 1. Creator Fund. To qualify for the Creator Fund, you need to have a TikTok Pro account and meet certain eligibility requirements, such as having at least 100,000 followers, and your videos must have received at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. The Creator Fund pays creators based on their video views, with the exact payout varying depending on the country and the number of views a video receives. TikTok also takes into account factors such as engagement rate, video completion rate, and other metrics to determine payouts. It's important to note that not all countries have the Creator Fund available yet. Real-life example. Content creator Sarah Cooper, Sarah CPR, joined the Creator Fund and made over $60,000 in 3 months. Cooper gained popularity on TikTok by lip-syncing to former President Donald Trump's speeches and garnered a large following. She used the Creator Fund as a way to monetize her content and earn income from her TikTok presence. Method 2. Brand partnerships. Brand partnerships involve working with a company or brand to promote their products or services on TikTok. If you have a large following and consistently produce high-quality content, you may be able to partner with brands and earn money through sponsored posts or influencer campaigns. The key is to find brands that align with your personal brand and have a target audience that overlaps with your followers. You'll need to negotiate a fair price with the brand, and it's important to disclose any sponsored content to your followers. Real-life example. TikTok influencer Addison Rae partnered with American Eagle Outfitters to promote their clothing line, earning $5 million for a single post. Addison has over 84 million followers on TikTok, and American Eagle Outfitters saw an opportunity to reach a younger audience through her massive following. The partnership was a win-win for both parties, as Addison earned a large sum of money for the post, and American Eagle Outfitters saw increased brand awareness and sales. Method 3. Merchandising. If you have a dedicated fan base, you can create and sell merchandise related to your TikTok account. You can create your own merchandise or use a print-on-demand service to create and ship products on your behalf. The key is to create merchandise that resonates with your followers and aligns with your personal brand. You'll need to promote your merchandise on TikTok and other social media platforms to drive sales. Real-life example. TikTok star Charli D'Amelio launched her own clothing line with the help of her sister, Dixie D'Amelio. The clothing line quickly became popular and sold out within hours of its launch. Charli has over 137 million followers on TikTok, and her fans were eager to buy merchandise that aligned with her personal brand. The clothing line featured items such as sweatshirts, t-shirts, and hats, all with Charli's logo and signature style. Method 4. Live streaming. TikTok allows users to host live streams and receive gifts from viewers. You can earn money by receiving gifts from your followers during your live streams. The more gifts you receive, the more money you can earn. You'll need to be consistent with your live streams and engage with your followers to encourage them to send gifts. Real-life example. TikTok star Zach King hosted a live stream and received over 100,000 gifts from his followers, earning him over $100,000 in a single session. Zach is known for his creative video editing skills and has a large following on TikTok. He used his live stream as an opportunity to engage with his followers and showcase his skills, which in turn led to a large number of gifts and earnings. Method 5. Selling digital products. If you have a specific skill or expertise, you can create and sell digital products related to your niche on TikTok. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can create and sell digital design templates. If you're a musician, you can sell digital music downloads or lessons. You can promote your digital products on TikTok and other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Real-life example. TikTok user Keenan Cahill is a lip-syncer and comedian who created a paid subscription service called Keenan's Club. The subscription service provided fans with access to exclusive content, merchandise discounts, and a personalized video message from Keenan. The service cost $5 per month, and Keenan was able to earn a steady income from his ways to make money on TikTok with real-life examples of successful TikTok creators. Remember, building a following on TikTok takes time and effort, but it can pay off in big ways. Whether you're a consistent creator, a social media influencer, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, There's a way for you to earn money on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.